Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're gonna be reviewing the next battle pass weapon. Okay, I already did one video on the first one. I got myself the whole battle pass, but now why is it showing no Wi-Fi? I have Wi-Fi. Yes, I have Wi-Fi. But now we're gonna be reviewing A.killer. It's a heavy, it's legendary, 399 efficiency, fire rate 86, capacity 8, mobility 50, has piercing shot, rocket, and area damage. See, me, I have level 5 modules on this, so I don't know how it's gonna play, but I hope that it's good. Let's see if this gun is actually worth getting. Oh yeah, and if you haven't figured it out yet, the devs made it to where, why I can't see my guns? What the hell? But the devs made it to where the first gun in Battle Pass, it shoots way faster now. It doesn't have slow fire rate anymore. 2, 3. What is up with my game right now? I don't know why I'm lagging. Something's wrong. But from what I've heard, this weapon is 3 tap. It's 3 tap. If you're just trying to go for area damage, it's gonna end up being a 4 tap. But sometimes if the person has not a high level, why is my phone lagging like this? It never does this. Not even in the other videos it does this. But the gun isn't that bad. If you're trying to rocket jump with it, I think you take damage, right? Yeah, you take. I think so. Hold on. Yeah, you take 50 damage. If you're just gonna spam this one gun, you're gonna get up to like 10, 11, 12 kills. But if you're gonna, and you could also catch spam with it, you could go to, I think, primary to it. Like, if you have, let's say you have ultimatum, I think you go ultimatum and ultimatum to the heavy. I think we're gonna try it right now. Let's see. You can go ultimatum to the heavy, or you good for damage wise. The next gun is going to be either the melee or the sniper from the pass. Or it's either or. Save the backup for last. Because you guys probably watching. You see how it plays, but I have level 6 monsters for magic. So I don't know if it's still good. I don't know how much it takes. like this weapon. Let me show you. It's like this weapon. It shoots like that. You've seen it. But I don't. Level 65. It's one tap. I think it's gonna be one tap. I don't know how to test it. It's gonna be sometimes it's mostly dead. But this plus a sniper dude. I think a few of you seen it. Guys have this airpack, do not use this heavy. That's all I'm saying. Do not use this heavy if you're going to try to catch spam with it. Do not use this heavy. Like, most recommended is like ultimatum. So, Christmas ultimatum, soda pop, photon freezer, proton freezer. Or, like, if you're trying to go for damage-wise, you can use level C's if you have it. But, I'm gonna do... And then... This is the worst one from Battle Pass. Just in case you guys didn't realize or didn't see how this weapon used to be. But if you could hit your shots, it's OP. I played a few games and my friend tested me or whatever. Oh, I think somebody in my game has the backup. We're losing. you're gonna have to watch someone else's video because I'm not gonna be able to get it. I will be playing a different game. I'm not gonna always be playing. Look up. You could go and follow his Instagram and DM him. It's Darwin_King. I'll leave it in the description. Leave it in the description below for you guys to DM and see. He'll probably add you in the game. The new game, it's not new to me. If you ever play CS, then you're gonna know what that. You're gonna know what the game looks like. Be doing some rank. We're probably gonna do like regular games to warm up. Or I'm probably gonna go live. I think, I don't know, but it's one of those. But at the end of the day, this weapon is not good for getting kills. This is the worst weapon you could possibly get from a battle pass. This is the worst weapon I ever got from a battle pass. So the primary is way better now. The heavy is trash. The next gun I'm gonna end up doing is gonna be the sniper. But leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and leave a comment down below or DM me on Instagram at GeorgieSavage1101. And this is Gaming Sav signing off.